how you doing? I'm Lloyd von Scheliha. I'm a product manager with Exmark. Here at GIE, we're excited to launch our new Staris stand-on mower. This is a ground-up redesign from what our old Vantage. We're super excited about it. Made a lot of big improvements to this product. Lowered the center of gravity, kept the same commercial durability and performance that you'd expect, and made it a lot more serviceable. First thing is our product needed to be commercially durable and commercial performance that you'd expect from Exmark. We have two optimized frames for the cutting deck. We have a 32, 36, and 44-inch cutting deck. It's Ultra Cut Series 3, two-blade deck on our E Series. That's our small frame. And then the large frame, a 48, 52, and 60, and that's on our large frame. That's an Ultra Cut Series 4 deck, 3 blades. So you have your Exmark quality of cut people come to expect, Exmark durability in the frame and structure. And the main thing we've done is lowered the center of gravity. Put the engine low in the machine, which lowers center of gravity, move the operator forward between the wheels. So doing everything we can, so this makes it really unmatched hillside performance. So we wanted to make sure what we did was add some serviceability and accessibility, both for normal maintenance and for long-term things. So one of the things you'll notice here is the flip-up front cover on the machine, and the laser-style belt shields on the side. Makes clean out of the deck very easy. It also gives you plenty of accessibility. The air cleaner inside. On the GIE models, you can do valve adjustments. You can have access to the spark plugs. So all that's very normal maintenance stuff, very accessible. Coming around here to the back side, all your normal daily maintenance checks, your hydro fluid here, oil right there, very accessible, clean out, and you can start your day. If you have to do anything beyond, your oil, the oil filter is very accessible from the back. Hydro filter on the other side. Normal wear items, starters and clutches, also very accessible from the mower in this position. So it really opened up the backside, made it a lot easier for mechanics to get to the work that they need to do on the machine. One thing that's unique is we've mounted the pumps above the engine, which has allowed us to lower the engine position, and that's really what's contributing to the lower center of gravity. Have that big mass of weight low in the machine, and it's really done wonders for the hillside performance on this machine. The other thing we're showing this year is a 44-inch deck on the Radius. We launched the Radius a couple years ago. It's been a very successful product, done very well. But one of the things with the 44-inch deck is it does really well cutting, especially stemmy type grasses. It has a nice quality of cut. Because it's only a two-blade system, it processes the grasses differently. You have more airflow underneath the deck. You have longer blades. So it just does a great job with those in all types of turf. You also have the deck is less sensitive to adjustment because of that. And then finally, you have one less spindle and one less set of blades for wear. So makes it a little bit lower cost of ownership.